hassle is over. This video shows how a quick 5-minute scan of your teeth can replace the goopy mess of a traditional impression. Using our iTero scanner, a 3D impression is created. With this, we're able to produce a better fitting and a more comfortable Invisalign tray without the goopy mess of a traditional mold, and with a faster turnaround time. Within minutes, this 3D impression shows how the teeth will look at the end of Invisalign orthodontic treatment. It's a quick way to envision the new smile and can be emailed directly to the patient. Once decided, the same scan is then sent to Invisalign to start the process. As you can see, this was a very simple process. Say goodbye to the goopy mess of the traditional mold and say hello to a more comfortable procedure. Call us today for your free scan.